I certainly hope this doesn't become one of those part 4 of 3 videos. But since I'm here, this is part 2, because the other one had to be part 1. What you're looking at is now the hatch. Still replacing the bulbs, and since I was here, I figured I'd just really quickly go over how that comes apart, in case you're just curious. And basically, you have wonderful tiny little plastic squares. They fit in like this. There's a little squared notch. You basically could take a screwdriver, stubby, or like me, if you have one of these interior removal pieces, which is phenomenally broken because Subaru has all kinds of crazy plastic chunks, like that one, which is back there. It likes to break all kinds of interior removal parts and tools. It's kind of a bitter curse. But anyway, long story short, you pop those out, flathead screwdriver, trim removal tool. There are 2 Phillips head screws, other stubby, and then this, pretty much I could get off by hand, just fingernails in, not screwdriver, trim tool, removal tool, bump off. Now, this is for the hatch. If you actually have a Legacy sedan, you're out of luck, can't help you. I know they have third brake lights, but I don't think they're the same. Maybe someone else on YouTube will put that together at one point. But what you're looking at now is the 4 lights that compose the, well, third brake light. And all they are just simple drop-in bulbs. They're not warm, which is important when you're pulling these out. There we go. There we go. Nothing too special. These are probably original, maybe replaced somewhere along the way. This third one actually looks a little darker. Might not be able to see that in the shadows. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to get the LED ones. Install removal is very simple. They just go in. Being LEDs, if they don't light up the first time, you pop them out, spin them around. LEDs are polarized, so they only work one direction for electricity. Old school bulbs, filaments, they burn either way. So I'm going to slap 2 LEDs in, put the panel back on so that you're not losing the light out of the bottom, and then we'll do part 3 of 3, and we'll see how they look.